I'm putting on this apron the first time. Actually, it means business. So I'm going to be baking tonight, and I'm going to be making a lovely pumpkin, oh my gosh, actually a delicious pumpkin spice cake, or bread, not cake, bread. Yeah, bread. So it's going to be good. It's going to be good. My fall autumn apron. I think I'm going to be wearing this for the rest of the fall. This is looking nice. Excited for this cake. I keep saying cake. I'm excited for this. It's a cake. Bread. So I'm making a pumpkin spice bread. I'm excited for this video. I have a stick of butter. I have 2 cups of flour, which is 16 ounces, and I have some spice in this, which is ginger powder, some nutmeg. I also have cinnamon and a pinch of salt, you know, for taste, for flavor. I also have some baking powder. I'm not sure how many baking powder. Probably this look about like 2 teaspoons. Yeah, this is about 2 teaspoons of baking powder. I have some vanilla. I have a tin of pumpkins. That's about 8 ounces of pumpkin. I'm also going to be using a banana. I'm going to add a ripe banana to it, just 1 ripe banana, and that should be good. And this, what is this? Oh, 2 eggs. So you don't need that much. It's not going to take that much to make this delicious pumpkin spice cake that I'm so excited for. And also don't forget the chocolate chip. It's going to be like a chocolate chip. Oh my gosh, I'm all over the place. Get it together, Tiffany. So it's going to be a chocolate chip pumpkin spice cake. I'm going to get my chocolate chip because I don't want to forget it. This is the tin of pumpkin by Libby's. This is it. This is 15 ounces. I'm only using about 8 ounces, so I do have some in this. This is a chocolate chip that I'm using. 6 ounces of this chocolate chip because I don't need that much. I'm going to pour some in this. I don't want a lot more chocolate chip. These are the tiny ones, the mini ones. Wrong thing. I purchased the wrong one. I wanted the bigger ones, not the big old chunky one, but I mean mid-size. I'm going to melt this butter. This is actually my second time making a proper cake. The first time, oh my goodness, I made a delicious off the chain, a proper, when I say proper, a real proper cheesecake. It was so good, and it's done recipe. I can't share it with you because that's our business. That's our ching ching. I'm going to melt this butter. I'm going to put it on low and just let it melt down. So that just told me, you know, I can't have this too high. I have to have it on low when melting the butter, which I didn't know, because if it was for me, I would have had it on high, but thank God he told me that, because it saved the cake. It saved it. So, and correct me if I kept saying cake or bread, but I know it's bread. So I'm going to start putting everything together. So first thing, you want to put all your dry ingredients together, which is the flour. Things start messy already. So this is the, I'm going to sift it, and let me sift that, because Dan also taught me you have to sift the flour, Tiffany. I need a bigger strainer. This is too tiny. This strainer makes sense. Baking powder. Of baking powder, I'm going to sift that. It's going to be so good. I think I need to sift these? I don't think so. I don't think I need to sift the spice. Some nutmeg, ginger powder, cinnamon powder, and about a pinch of salt. So these, I'm not sure how much Dan put in it, but from the looks of it, it's probably about a half a teaspoon, which is 2.5 milliliter. I'm going to dash all of that in it. Start putting everything together. Which is the ripe banana. Take a fork and just beat up this a bit. I'm going to add the pumpkin. So for the vanilla, I'm going to add about probably a teaspoon or half a teaspoon of vanilla. Yeah, about a teaspoon. The butter. I'm going to go ahead and add both eggs to the mixture. Chocolate chip. For this part, I'm going to be doing the folding method. This is bread flour I'm using. Kind of fold that in. This smells so good with the vanilla, the nutmeg, the cinnamon, and all of that. It smells so good, but I don't know why it's turning into a doughy, like as if I'm making some type of bread. Done. Okay, now I'm going to add this to the pan. I'm going to sprinkle a bit of chocolate chip on top. I hope this comes out good. Okay, and this is it. So I'm going to put it in the oven on about 300 degrees Celsius. Not Celsius. Oh my gosh, that would be horrible. So 300 degrees Fahrenheit, and I'm just going to put it in there for about 30 to 45 minutes, and I'll be back. Okay, I'm going to check if my cake is ready. It's been about 40 minutes, 45 minutes. It smells so good. Look at this. Oh my god. I'm going to test it by using this, what is this called? What is this called again? I'm going to use a skewer to check. Came out dry. That means it's ready. So I'm going to take it out. That looks so good.
Slowly let it come out. Yeah, just turn it over, or pat the bottom a little bit, and then turn it over. Yeah, and then turn it over gently so it doesn't crumble.
Yeah, but no longer.
Chocolate chips.
Woo! It look, it could be a bit darker, right?
Yeah, it could be darker.
Let me see now.
And you're not cutting it straight.
No. Gosh,
Is that hard to cut?
now I want to see it look. It seems like it's a bit dense. More, you want to taste it?
Yeah, I'll taste it.
It's hot, man.
Teaching classes again.
Chocolate for my finger then.
I can't taste the spice.
Really?
Right.
I never put enough.
You put all that
So,
in?
what I taste, it just not now go off it.
I can taste the chocolate. I can't taste any in color, but I don't taste any pumpkin spice. Do you? Do you?
But it tastes not at all.
I know, that's what
It's a tasteless cake.
Congratulations, you're a genius.
I'm not even going to put any, what do you call this? Not the recipe.
The recipe.
I'm not going to put the recipe in the description. It doesn't taste like anything. Danny, can you taste this?
No flavor, man.
Nothing. I can't taste nothing. I can't taste the pumpkin, the banana.
That's what I'm saying.
Stop touch up the things, no man.
Did you just put that chocolate on there?
No, it just melts.
Taste my banana.
You can taste banana?
Well, this one failed. I'm going to make it over. Don't laugh, Dan.
Right now?
Don't laugh.
No, not right now. I'm not.
I'm
Quite disappointed. Huh?
Remember yesterday you said it was going to be the bomb?
No. I'm quite
To
disappointed.
those of you who said that I'm miserable and stuff like that, most of the time I'm serious. I have to be serious because of the line of work I do. However, you can see I'm smiling.
So I probably cook this tasteless pumpkin spice cake.
Yeah, that's pretty interesting. I mean, how many people can do that, really?
Okay, I'm doing a comeback.
Yeah,
Should I
seriously.
post this video still? It makes sense?
I would. I mean, the learning curve may have been a little bit too high because you're not really a baker.
Yeah, I was telling them this is my second time making a proper cake, but this is not even a proper cake.
Yeah, really. I mean, you make our cheesecake.
Yeah, I was
pretty good.
telling them.
Oh, so this is something different because this is bread, quick bread, if you will.
I'll make it over.
Yeah, I'm
And
sure
it's
you'll
going
do.
to be good.
I would next time not sprinkle it with chocolate chips on top.
No, I want it like that.
More chocolate chips.
I want it like that. Oh,
Really?
What a waste.
It's like a.
I should make it over tomorrow. I'm going to make it over tomorrow and I'm going to dominate.
I'll still eat it.
You want it still?
Yeah.
I can put it in
Well,
your
it's still
lunchbox for
edible.
school.
I mean, it's still
The
edible.
whole
It's just
thing?
that
Makeda can have some.
it's a mystery.
Makeda?
It's a mystery taste. Do you mind if I go wash this chocolate off my hand?
Okay, go. Bye.
What is it?
Okay,
That's why I couldn't smell any flavor downstairs.
whatever. Please. Right. So that's it for the cake. Nothing now go and feed. And I'm coming back to make the best one next time. And for that one, I'll leave it in the description box down below. But this one, I don't know, maybe you can use this and kind of give it a bit of twist, but trust me, it tastes less.
Maybe it was
Insipid. Huh?
Maybe it was for the good.
No, I should have put all of it. But this is an insipid cake. It is. So, thank you guys. All my things they mess up. Maybe next time. So I just realized why the cake is insipid. I forgot to put the sugar in it. The sugar. So I'm going to make it over. I can't believe I forgot to put the sugar in it.